Hey everyone, today we're making my all-time favorite Punjabi dish, Paneer Makhani. So to get us started, we need a hot pan, and in our hot pan, we're going to start by adding half a stick of butter, as well as a little bit of oil. Now once that gets warm, we're going to add some long slivered chilies and about a tablespoon of ground ginger, as well as some cumin seeds. And we're going to let all of that infuse into the oils. Now we're going to add 2 big bay leaves, as well as 2 cinnamon sticks, and some green elaichi or green cardamom. We're going to let all of this saute in our oils for a few minutes before doing anything else. Now we can add our veggies. So I got a small red bell pepper and a small yellow bell pepper. And then we're going to need some tomatoes. And so I took about 9 big Roma tomatoes that I just sliced up or diced up. That I'm just going to let cook with everything with about a cup of water so that it all kind of combines together. We're also going to need to season this up now. And so seasoning wise, we're going to start with about a tablespoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of salt. We can add some more later, but just enough for now. A little bit of sugar. And some turmeric. As well as some dry Kashmiri methi leaves. Now, we're also going to add cashews, and that will add a lot of creaminess to our curry. And we're going to let everything combine together, and we want it to simmer on a low heat for about 25 minutes. So cover it, don't touch it. You can check to make sure it's sticking every now and then. But then after 25 to 30 minutes, we're going to take our curry, and we're going to pull out all of those big seasonings we had. So the bay leaves and the cinnamon, we don't need those anymore. We've gotten the flavor, and we're gonna ladle everything into our blender. We're gonna blend it all up into a smooth texture, as smooth as it gets. Blend it for as long as you need. And once it's all blended and good to go, we're just gonna put that to the side and start with some more butter. Butter, oil, and then we're gonna add our paneer. And so this is just some fresh homemade paneer that we're just going to toss into our butter and oil and allow to saute. For some added spice here, I'm going to add some more of the Kashmiri red chili powder. That's going to give a nice infusion into the butters and the paneer. And once that has a chance to cook for just a few minutes, we're going to add our curry from the blender. Half a cup of cream, a little bit more salt if you like. You can do a little taste test if you need to. And just a little splash of lemon juice. And that's it. Let it simmer. But after about 10 minutes of simmering, you're done. Enjoy.